Hi everyone, my name is Bindu. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to continue our GCP Data Engineering Certification series, and the topic for today is different data types. The structured, semi-structured, and non-structured data. Where to save it in the BigQuery, like Cloud SQL, Cloud Storage, and BigQuery. This topic is not just useful for you in your job, but it's also very important in the data engineering certification. So in this video, we'll see what type of questions do you get on this topic as well. So let's start our video. What are data types? As a data engineer, you will work with a lot of different types of data. Not all the data look the same. Some data is neat and structured, some data is so messy, and some is somewhere in between. So we group this data into three types: structured data, non-structured data, semi-structured data. Let's look at each one with simple examples. Structured data is clean and organized. Think of an Excel sheet. In Excel sheet, you have rows, columns, and you also have names to the columns. You have names to the sheets as well. This is structured data. Everything is placed properly, and every piece of data has a fixed place. This type of structured data is usually stored in relational databases. In cloud, you can use Cloud SQL for this. Structured data is easy to search and is clearly defined. Now let's come to unstructured data. Unstructured data is exactly opposite to structured data. It has no rules. You can save the data in any format you want. It's not organized at all. It's all messy. The examples for unstructured data is PDF files, videos, images, audio files, all text files. You can't put this type of unstructured data into rows and columns. In Google Cloud, we store this kind of unstructured data in Google storage buckets. You think of it like storing files in folders on your computer, but this one we save it on the cloud. Now let's talk about semi-structured data. Semi-structured data, it's a mix of both structured and unstructured data. It's not fully organized, it has some structure to it. It usually contains tags or metadata which helps us understand what's inside. It defines certain things. Examples of semi-structured data is JSON files, XML files, log files. These files don't fit into tables like structured data does, but they're not completely messy either. We can store and analyze them using tools like BigQuery and sometimes Cloud SQL as well. Now let's match the data types to Google Cloud Services. Use Cloud SQL for structured data like tables, relational data. Use Cloud SQL for it. If the data is unstructured, then use cloud storage for it, like saving PDFs, your images, video content, everything. Use any unstructured data, use cloud storage. And if the data is semi-structured, use BigQuery for that, like saving JSON files, XML files, for all that. Use BigQuery for that. Each service is designed to work best with a specific data type. Choosing the right storage based on your data helps improve performance and also save cost. Now let's talk about why this topic is important for GCP Data Engineering certification. In certifications, you will get real-world scenarios like where should you store customer photos, or which tool is best for analyzing JSON files, or how do you move unstructured data to BigQuery for reporting. To understand these questions, you must know what type of data you're working with, which Google Cloud service is best in that scenario, and how to prepare that data for processing and analysis. Knowing this will help you not just clearing the exam, but will also help you design better systems for your company. So if you want to quickly wrap this up, if it is structured data, you use Cloud SQL. If it is unstructured data, you use cloud storage. If it is semi-structured data, you use BigQuery. This is one of the most fundamental topics in Google Cloud. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you find this helpful, share it with your friends, anyone trying to give GCP certification, share it with them. And in the next video, we'll talk about another GCP certification related topic.